You don't have to have 8,000 hours or 1,000 subscribers or millions of views for your shorts to make money with YouTube. Let's find out why. Hey, I'm Jeff. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you have been here before. We are talking about YouTube and how to use YouTube to make money. And many people get hung up on the AdSense part of YouTube, which is once you have your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, they start paying you a little percentage of the advertising money that YouTube, when you're watching a YouTube video. If you're not paying for the premium YouTube, then you're going to have all the ads and the promotions running through the video that you're trying to watch. So you're watching it for a minute, and then like a commercial comes on, and you have to wait until you can skip it and get back to your video. Okay, so you get paid for those ads put on your video if you have the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, the big hubbubaloo that's been blowing around this whole for the last, couple weeks, whenever it was announced, come February 1st, YouTube, yes, they're going to change the requirements, and you're going to need 8,000 watch hours. Still 1,000 subscribers, but 8,000 watch hours. And then we've found out that, and this may be a little bit of a YouTube saying, don't worry, creators, we're going to take care of you, to the idea that they're changing how fast a view is counted. So it's all about getting to the subscriber count, getting to the watch time count within a year, 365 days. It's going to be 8,000 hours, and that is where your videos start getting played, or you start getting paid for your videos. Now, some of the issue must have been out there that it took several seconds of being on the ad before you would get credit for the ad being viewed, or it would be when somebody actually started to view your video. So how many views count? Okay, so if you go in there and look and say, oh, I've only got 25 views on this video, or I've only got 150 views on this video, there may have been some views that got missed because they didn't stay on the video long enough. Okay, that is an area that needs to be worked on really hard, is your retention. Once you get somebody in, that they stick around and watch some of the video, like I hope you guys are with me at least to this point right now. But YouTube is now going to count a view. I think it's when the first frame of the video comes up, they are going to count that as a view. Even if you don't click in, click right back out, as long as there was a frame of the video that they saw, then you're going to get credit for that towards the views. Because what happens with your AdSense money is, once you are eligible to get that AdSense money, then it's going to depend on the views as to how many times those ads get watched. So you want views. You don't necessarily need the subscribers once you get to the 1,000 subscribers. As long as you keep it at 1,000 plus subscribers, you're fine. The money part comes down to the views. Okay, so YouTube is going to help us out on that. It's hard, it's tough getting to that 1,000, and it's going to be even tougher getting to those 8,000 watch hours. You're going to need some videos that are going to keep people on the video. All right, so that's something I have to work on too. I don't know that my video watching retention is as good as it could be, because this is a new channel, and we're working in kind of a new area for what I normally do videos on. So I've got to make sure, if I want the views, that we're staying on long enough to be counted. All right. Along with that, understand that if you're coming onto YouTube to make money, all right, you need to look at the AdSense money. That needs to be just some icing on the cake. You need to come onto YouTube with a plan to use YouTube to sell product, to generate leads that are going to turn into customers. Maybe you can create your own, or have created your own digital product or physical product, possibly. You are in charge of making the sales happen for you. So that's a whole nother video out there that we'll get into, where we're going to talk about how to start with the video that's going to get you the leads. But we also want to talk about the video that's going to get you the retention that you need to make sure that people are staying on long enough. Doesn't have to be the AdSense stuff, but you want them to stay on long enough to get your promotion for whatever program, service, or product that you may be selling. So watch for those types of videos coming out here before too long. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you do know when I put new videos on. And if you are ready to start thinking about getting videos put together, then we're going to have you watch this video right here. All right, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.